The DIY tutorials, a gateway to creativity, skills, and self-reliance in an era defined by rapid digitalization and accessible online learning. DIY, do-it-yourself, tutorials have emerged as a powerful medium for individuals to expand their creativity, improve practical skills, and develop a sense of independence. Whether it involves woodworking, home decor, crafting, electronics, or even small-scale entrepreneurship, DIY tutorials empower people to transform ideas into tangible outcomes. This article explores the growing significance of DIY tutorials, their educational and economic value, and how they enable individuals to cultivate both creativity and capability. The rise of DIY learning culture. The global availability of video-based instruction has significantly expanded the reach of DIY learning. Platforms such as YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and specialized crafting websites have made high-quality tutorials accessible to anyone with an internet connection. As a result, the DIY movement has grown beyond hobbyists and now includes students, professionals, artisans, and small business owners. This demand is driven by three major factors. 1. Cost effectiveness. DIY allows users to create or repair items at a fraction of the cost of professional services. 2. Customization. Individuals can adapt projects to their personal aesthetic or functional needs. 3. Creative fulfillment. Making something with one's own hands provides satisfaction and boosts confidence. Essential components of effective DIY tutorials. High-quality DIY tutorials share several essential characteristics that make the learning experience enjoyable and productive. These include 1. Clear step-by-step instructions. Effective tutorials break down the workflow in sequential steps, minimizing confusion and supporting learners with varying skills. 2. Visual demonstrations. Images, diagrams, and videos significantly improve comprehension and reduce errors during project execution. 3. Tools and materials. A detailed list of required materials ensures that users can prepare in advance and reduce disruptions during the project. 4. Safety guidelines. Responsible tutorials include warnings, safety gear recommendations, and proper handling instructions. 5. Troubleshooting tips. Guidance on common mistakes or alternate methods increases the likelihood of successful project completion. Popular categories of DIY tutorials. The diversity of DIY content has made it applicable across multiple domains. Some of the most popular categories include home improvement. Painting walls, fixing furniture, installing lighting, and simple renovations help individuals maintain and upgrade their living spaces. Crafting and art. Paper crafts, jewelry making, resin art, fabric painting, and decor items are widely consumed for hobbies and home decoration. Electronics and technology. Arduino projects, simple robotics, repairing gadgets, and programming tutorials attract tech enthusiasts and students. Beauty and personal care. DIY skincare products, hairstyling, and fashion hacks have become prevalent across lifestyle platforms. Small-scale business projects. Many tutorials guide users on how to create homemade items such as candles, soaps, or customized gifts for selling online or at craft fairs. Educational and economic benefits. DIY tutorials contribute significantly to personal development and economic empowerment. Skill development. They build practical competencies, problem-solving abilities, creativity, and technical understanding. Entrepreneurial opportunities. Many individuals convert DIY skills into profitable businesses by selling customized handmade products or providing services. Reduced reliance on professionals. Basic repairs, crafting, or modifications done at home can reduce costs and increase self-sufficiency. Community building. DIY forums and social media communities allow individuals to share their work, learn from others, and collaborate. The future of DIY tutorials. With advancements in digital media, virtual reality, and AI-powered guidance, DIY tutorials are expected to become more immersive and interactive. Personalized learning paths, real-time troubleshooting, and 3D project simulations will likely transform the way people engage in hands-on skills development. Conclusion. DIY tutorials represent more than just instructions. They serve as catalysts for creativity, empowerment, and innovation. They inspire individuals to experiment, learn by doing, and take control of their personal and professional development. As the DIY movement continues to grow, these tutorials will remain essential tools for enabling people of all ages to turn ideas into reality.